Hey peeps, hey, I just heard they were unpacking the new Vulcan S EN650 out here. I had to run out before they did it too much. This is how she comes. They've ripped all the bits and bobs off it. This is the new orange with the black stripe. I think they call this the Cafe. Oh, wicked. Have a look at that. That's awesome. Workplace health and safety's up here, isn't it? This is how they come. We just got to put the front wheel on, the handlebars. They've taken all these bits out of it. Box of bits there, whatever. Oh no, that's not a box of bits, that's the foam. She all comes up so she doesn't get marked and so on. Chuck the hand towels free with it. Look at that, eh? Yeah, so is there a screen or something with this? Is there any boxes or anything? Oh yeah, cool. I'll have a look over here. There's the bars. If there was a screen, I'd just break it. Put all my weight on there.
That's up here.
Oh, sweet. It's like Christmas. Nice little screen. Even the dashboard is put onto it. So this sort of show you the battery. Oh, that's heavy. I've been lifting that, what's that, the KX450 battery's lithium. This is a normal lead acid type thing. So look at the bits on here, the boxes, the cardboard. But look at that colour. That is awesome. They've only just come into the country. If you want one of these guys, give us a buzz up here at Maroochydore. We'll give your local Kawasaki dealer a call. This is it. This is how it is. I'll show it put together in a second. So I'll cut the video, I'll jump in, I'll stick it together, and we'll show you that. Thanks for watching. And there's the front wheel. Thought I'd show you that. Look at that, it's round. That's what we want. Yeehaw.
Now.
Now?
Yeah.
So this is the new Vulcan S Cafe. Just unpacked. You saw it in the box. Now you're seeing it in the flesh. A couple of good things about it. Some different stuff compared. The orange inserts, orange piece through here. The new Vulcan S tank logo. Matte black, which is all blacked out. Orange on the, they're like a decal. Oh no, they're in there, aren't they? They're good. They're nice factory decal on there. Little screen, that's on now, so it looks pretty sweet. And when we saw it in the crate there, it had no front wheel, no screen, no pegs, no bars. Look, I'm a bigger sort of fella, but good thing. These are a cool looking bike. If you haven't seen one in the flesh, come and have a look at this. Take it for a ride. If you don't like orange and black, you can get them in white. You can get them in matte black. But this is the sexiest colour. It's going to go well. There is work.